Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Motorists will see the cost of most categories of fuel go down effective tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will decline by $4.50, their largest drop in 3 weeks. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also go down by $4.50. The category has seen consistent $4 declines since September. Now kerosene will, however, sell for $3.06 more. $4.50 will be shaved off the price of propane and $4.09 from butane. Of course, each gas station will have their various markdowns or markups effective tomorrow. Local media stakeholders are calling for greater support from the government for effective implementation of the mandatory television digital switchover. They're recommending the removal of some taxes from equipment and increase the use of the service by public entities. In January this year, Jamaica became the third country in the world to roll out digital over-the-air television, also dubbed Next Gen TV. Television Jamaica, with $1 billion earmarked for the government-mandated transition, has 2 towers already transmitting signals. However, it's a long way to go before the full rollout of the necessary infrastructure, and CEO of the RJ Aglina Communications Group, Gary Allen, says cutting some taxes for the digital equipment needed by consumers could help more Jamaicans make the switch.
We recommend that government should remove all import duties on ATSC 3 TV sets from now until when we have full conversion to ATSC 3.0. If we are going to get the market to move, help the market to move. We also ask that you remove GCT or zero rate GCT on all TV sets, set-top boxes, antenna systems, and related equipment that will be needed between now and when analog switch-off takes place.
He suggests the rollout of educational programs to PATH students could also be considered, along with deployment of the technology in government offices. The new paradigm also presents new value-added opportunities for Jamaica. Mr. Allen says an enabling environment should be created for the country to become a producer of some of the ATSC 3.0 equipment.
We have put Jamaica in a position as a potential engineering and manufacturing hub for ATSC 3.0 technology for the entire market of the Americas. What we have done by adopting in Jamaica is that we have put now an opportunity for joint ventures here, for partnerships here to generate content that generate equipment that can be used in other markets. So we can become a net exporter of this kind of equipment if we get the manufacturing going here with joint ventures.
He says discussions are needed regarding the analog switch-off set for January next year, as most Jamaicans do not yet have access to devices. Let's head to the currency market. The US dollar is being sold for $152.96. $116.43 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $166.94 for the pound, while it's costing an average $149.28 for the euro. The JSE index lost 2,104 points today, while the junior market index gained 49 points. Among the winners were Iron Rock Insurance Company, CAC 2000, 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, and FESCO. Losing side were KLE Group, Community and Workers of Jamaica CCU Deferred Shares, Berger Paints Jamaica, Mailpack Group, and Everything Fresh. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.